Hi everyone, welcome to Ace with Ace. Today we're going to be looking at the number system. This is a topic that I believe will be useful to you guys, whether you're in grade 10, 11 or 12. So we're going to look at the nature of numbers basically. Okay, so the numbers are divided into two sets or into two forms. Okay, they are real numbers and they are non-real numbers. Okay, so let's first start with the non-real numbers. What is a non-real number? Okay, a non-real number, it can either be something that we call an undefined number, which is anything divided by zero. Basically we mean if you divide any number by zero, if you punch it on a calculator, you're going to get an error. So anything divided by zero is an unreal number. Okay, or the square root of any negative number. Okay, so the square root of -5, the square root of -8, -7, -9. Okay, it will always be non-real. So these are the components of non-real numbers. Okay, so with regards to real numbers, okay, so real numbers are basically everything except non-real number. So any number that does not fall into these two categories is a real number. Okay, but the real numbers can also be broken down. Okay, the real numbers consist of rational and irrational numbers. Okay, so what is a rational number? A rational number is any number that can be written as a over b, or as a fraction, or any decimal that is recurring. Okay, so once a number recurs, when you punch a number on a calculator, is recurring, then you must know that is a rational number. And an irrational number is the exact opposite of a rational number, in that it is a number that is non-recurring. Okay, so if you've got a number like, let's say what, 216732158, you see, if you look at a number like that, this is a non-recurring number, so it's clearly an irrational number. Okay, so again, within the real numbers, we've got other categories. We've got integers, whole numbers, and natural numbers. Okay, so let's start with integers. Let's start with whole numbers. Whole numbers are basically all the numbers from 0 to positive infinity. I'm sure you can see from here it starts from 0 going to positive infinity, but they don't include fractions or decimals. So these are just numbers, whole numbers without any fraction. Okay, and then secondly, we'll have what we call natural numbers or counting numbers. So the counting numbers are also whole numbers. Okay, but they start from 1 to positive infinity. Okay, so nextly we have got the integers. Okay, so integers are basically whole numbers. Okay, but they include both the negative and the positive sets of whole numbers. Okay, so if you have something like 5 is a whole number. Okay, it's a whole number and it's also an integer. Okay, but then you look at, let's say, -3. -3 is an integer, but it's not a whole number, because whole numbers start from 0 going to the positive side, to positive infinity. Okay, I hope that was helpful, guys. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you.